cut.
Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and I am outside with the #1 nopal cutter. As you can see, there are a ton of nopales that need to be cut, and he will be cooking some later. So what's your secret to really good nopales?
Throw them in a pot and let them boil.
You heard that here, guys. You just throw them in a pot and let them boil.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
as easy as throwing them in a pot and letting them boil.
First you have to do the painstaking removing of the thorns, right?
Right, don't throw them at me. Now, this plant has been growing back here for several years now, and it's gotten so massive. It's crazy. And Cactus Crust eats nopales several times a week. Now, I have to admit, I'm not the biggest nopal eater. I mean, I have had them in the past, but as of recently, I haven't ate nopales in a very long time. So who knows? It might be the week I do. I'm just watching your technique on how to cut them. We're trying to teach people to cut nopales.
I honestly don't even know if I'm doing it right. I'm just kind of winging it, but I'm trying to get the nopales that are a decent size, like this one here. It's not ready yet, but it might be ready on Saturday. Right, so it's still kind of small. I think it needs to grow like another 2 inches. Yeah, see, that's a good example right here, right? See, like these are big enough. I think these would be good for a taco. They get them before the ants do.
And the great thing about Cactus Crust is that he's super tall, so he doesn't even need a ladder. Over here we have his beautiful crown of thorns with little yellow blooms. Look at how pretty that is. Now, I added the blue fire ice because I thought it looked very pretty, and I picked out this aloe vera pot specifically for this plant. I think the combination of colors, the yellow in the Corona de Cristo and the aloe vera with the blue fire glass, I think it looks so beautiful. Now back to Cactus Crust.
These are our, I don't know if I did good or not. Let me know. But I feel like they're all edible, so.
Looks great to me.
Doesn't matter what they look like.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Now my mom is going to do all the hard work. She will be removing all of these little thorns, and they'll be ready to eat.
Mira, esto. Eso, todos estos pedacitos así no está.
Cactus Crust was demoted from removing the thorns from the nopales, and my mom's going to do it.
Oye, ese chiste, mija. No crees que nomás es de. Esto sí hay que tener cuidado cuando tienes espinas, porque las espinas te las tragas, se te atoran la garganta y hijo. Entonces sí.
My mom is an expert at removing the thorns from the nopales. She's been doing this for many years. How many years have you been doing this?
Ya tiene como unos, pues desde que nací, mija, nacimos con los nopales en México. Dicen, naciste con el nopal en la frente. Más que no sé, para aquellos también.
So, cuando eras chiquita, ¿tú pelabas los nopales?
Sí.
Wow.
Yo siempre he pelado nopales, mija.
Oh my gosh, mosquitoes.
Hay hormigas chiquitas, ¿no?
So this is this a thorn right here?
Ajá. Sí, te digo que esto sí ya se caen solos.
Okay. This is what it should look like. This is what the nopal should look like when you're done. You should not be able to see any thorns on it. So this is my mom's. You already fix these?
No.
And this is Manny's cactus crust. So as you can see, there are a couple thorns he left behind. A couple thorns, and this is very, very dangerous. So that is why it's important to do this properly.
Especialmente si los vas a cocinar, los tienes que lavar y quitarle y estar seguro que no tiene espinas enterradas adentro.
So my mom is saying that also when
Lavarlos.
you have to wash them
Con un cepillo.
and then scrub them with a brush just to make sure that there are no thorns inside of the nopal as well. So this isn't the second step she does before she cooks them and she cuts them.
Yeah. Esto es interesante, dime, Lisa. Interesante. I lost this cuchillo.
She said you have to have a very sharp knife
Very sharp knife.
to do this. So the one that she's using right now is not sharp. She needs to
No.
sharpen it.
No, no sirve. Okay.
No sirve.
Tengo que buscar un cuchillo que sí sirva. Pero si quieren, Manuel, ahí están unos cocinados que están cocinados. Ahí hay uno.
You can find nopales at the house every single day.
Y ahorita sí es el tiempo del nopal. Ahorita es el tiempo de los nopales.
¿Cuándo no es el tiempo?
Cuando hace frío, no. Cuando hace calor es cuando es el tiempo de los nopales. Es como los chiles, los jitomates también es el tiempo de las calabacitas, jitomates, todo es el tiempo ahorita. A mí me da pendiente con Manny porque la verdad es que los peló así, por eso le dije, es muy importante que les quites bien las espinas, porque se ven las espinitas indefensas que no, pero tienen así bien delgaditas. Y
Sí, las he visto.
ajá, y ya ves que se te meten aquí hasta en los dedos
Scary.
y es difícil de sacarlas, pero en la garganta, a mí digo, sí, se te atora una espinita de esas. Es como la del pescado, a veces que se les atora a la gente así en los...
That's true.
Por eso tienes que be careful, everybody.
So be careful, everyone. She will be cooking these. She will be going inside, washing them, scrubbing them, making sure there's no more thorns, and then she'll be cooking them tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a few things when it comes to cutting nopales and removing the thorns. See you next time.